In this video, you are going to see a ton of mistakes, hear a lot of fumbled words, and probably hear a few kids screaming in the background. But hopefully, you laugh a lot. I'm Jason Resnick of NurtureKit, NurtureKit.co, and I am super pumped because today marks day 90 of launching this channel. It's the 90th day, and we're going to have a little bit of a celebration, you and I, and we're gonna have some fun at my expense. But before I dive into that, I just want to take a moment and thank you for your time, attention, and support for this channel, whether you've watched just a tiny clip of a video or watched every single video. I don't take it lightly, and I am super humbled and grateful for you carving out a moment in your life to spend it watching something that I've created. I challenged myself to publish a video for 90 straight days to launch this channel, ultimately to help you become better with email marketing and automation, but also to answer some of your questions in and around ConvertKit, and ultimately show you, no matter where you are in your email marketing, there is something next that you can do to improve it over time. I had no delusions around getting monetized, getting 1,000 subscribers, or having the next YouTube viral video. Because let's be honest, none of these videos are going viral. But the goals that I did have for myself for this challenge was, one, to be super helpful, to answer anything, to put any of my knowledge that is useful for you here in this channel. Number two is to get in the habit of creating videos. And number three, to learn as much as I can from you watching the videos that I put out. If you stick around to the end, I'll share with you what's next with this channel and the videos that I create. Video for me has always been a hard medium, and maybe it has for you as well. Seeing that red button and the time marker going, it does something to our brains that, you know, in my world, for me anyway, it's like I become a different person, or I used to anyway. And some of my personality would be muted, if you will. But I wanted to become more comfortable getting in front of the camera, pressing record, and pushing something out into the world. Knowing who I am, I knew that if I put myself into an uncomfortable position, I always come out on the other side a better version of myself. Growth happens in that uncomfortable space. It doesn't come without a lot of editing and cutting room floor type things. So what I decided to do was, around day 30 or 40, I was like, you know what? This video, today's number 90, is going to be a blooper reel. But I hope to share with you a little bit of a behind the scenes look, because for me, I love seeing behind the scenes mistakes, blooper reels, anything you want to call them. I wanted to share that with you because you and I are both human. And this video is a bit about of that humanity. This kind of video shows the human side, the flaws, the mistakes, and so I'm putting myself out there to hopefully inspire you a little bit more to put yourself in an uncomfortable position, to be vulnerable, but it makes such a huge impact on your life. This is going to be funny, it's going to be comical, poke fun at myself, but I do hope that it does bring some humanity to this channel, because ultimately, when you do put yourself in those uncomfortable positions, amazing transformations happen. So again, I thank you for your time, your attention, and joining me in this challenge and beyond. So stick around till the end. I'll tell you a little bit more about what that entails. But in the meantime, have fun, sit back, and laugh a little bit. Valuable to a beginner is the quick in this video, you are going to, now number 4 to this is pasting from something like Google. It should be a thought that you want to send out to your list and be able to get blah, 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 blah. Do you use Kajabi to sell your courses, your programs, and your the deliverability? If you haven't yet used preview text, or sometimes used as pre-header, or come on, channel, then go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want no nonsense and straight to the point material. I don't know why it's so hard. If you subscribe to the driver philosophy, which I'll link up also, go and click that button if you want no nonsense, straight to the point, and actionable value and videos. Which one of these 5 that I listed here is most surprising to you to hear me say? Right? Does that make sense? And as Matt wanted to create more it's either all or nothing, regardless. So that form ID is then you're out of space. You kind of have to duplicate the visual automation, whereas but the real reason behind you and 3, opt-in consent. Look, when somebody signs up and subscribes to your brand, they're opting into a single entity's plan. So I sent myself the same email that contains one link that inject into the subscriber record into your ConvertKit account that new data. Spam and opt-in email processes with the CAN Spam Act, with CA. Now, the second way to help you increase your open rates is and I'm going to and the second way is the preview text. Now, and then you can go ahead and put that, and then you can go ahead and drop that code on the homepage and you would be running away with it. Okay. The preview text is what will appear the second is the preview text. And I still see and get so many emails now or next to the subject line or anything else. The second is preview text, and so many people, and oh my gosh. A set. Oh. See if that fits well enough in here. So I've hit a limit here. So I might massage this a little bit here, right? And so I might need to massage this just a little bit here. Remember, send with purpose. Rule number 3, super plain email compares to those that are applied for that rule, okay? Rule number 4, and how to do this best. And rule number 5, in something that is being displayed back to you, can we just not screen for 3 minutes? 3 minutes, that's all I'm asking. 3 minutes, please. hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Even watching back, I still laugh at some of these things. So what's up next? This channel will move forward. It will continue. I didn't know what would happen after 90 days with the channel. If I was going to stop, continue, somewhere in between. But it will still move forward. You'll still get videos talking about email marketing and automation with ConvertKit and various other tools as well. My goal, my hope for this channel is actually for me to be the most helpful person on YouTube when it comes to ConvertKit, and for you to realize and have email marketing impact your business so that you actually live the kind of life that you actually want. My goal for you is to be able to show you how email can do that for you. So if you have a question, if you have a challenge, if you have an idea that you want me to explore, leave that in the comment sections of any video. It doesn't matter which one. Just go ahead and leave it there and I'll be happy to explore that. I've been told that my brain works in ways that most don't. But what I've realized with automation is that it is a time saver. It saves you money in the long run, and it can have a huge impact on your business, but then that rolls downhill into your own personal life and helping you achieve those goals that you actually do want to achieve as a human being. So I want to be able to provide you with the help and any answers to any of your questions. So do that. Leave a comment in any comment section on any video. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, do so. And if you want to share this out as kind of like a funny share or a laugh, or just come back and revisit it when you need a chuckle, go ahead and do that too. Click that share button and send it to yourself as an email, or send it to a friend that might need a laugh as well. And again, thank you very much for the 90 days. I'm looking forward to the next 900. And until next time, when you treat your email list like humans, amazing transformations